Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got another video, and in this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and apply for Medicaid in Georgia. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. So for that matter, the very first step would be simply for you to access your browser, can be from your mobile phone or from a computer. Upon doing that, all you have to do is go to search bar and type in georgia.gov as I have done on top, and you will get into this kind of website. Right over here, all you have to do is simply go ahead, tap on the services A to Z, and simply go ahead, search bar and type in Medicaid. There we go, and now tap on search. Upon doing that, you can see we have apply for elderly and disabled waiver program, etc. But we're simply going to tap on this apply for Medicaid here in the second option. And now you will be able to see this kind of interface, right? So first thing I will suggest to you is that you have to read through the article properly, because this is basically showing you what you have, what you need. You can see, make sure you're eligible, you think you're pregnant, etc. Pregnant, age 18, 65 or older, blind, disabled. These are the category, okay? And by the category it might differentize on at the terms. So and you can see the next step, you have gather what you'll need. Make sure you have all of the documentation as it has asked for you, that requires for you to get Medicaid or apply for it. Once you have done the second part as well, now it's time for you to create a submit application. All you have to do is tap on this. Otherwise, you can see we have apply online, apply by phone. If you tap on this, you can see we simply have to tap on this particular link, and we will be able to fill up an online form and apply for it, and wait till we hear from them for the further prompts. Simple, easy will be simply contacting them by this number and let them know what you have to do by phone directly, confirmly. Other would be simply for you to apply in person by visiting Division of Family and Children Services, aka DFCS office nearby, or you can choose to apply by email. Alternatively, you also have here contact numbers, so you can choose to contact them. Afterwards, you will do find this next step, which you have to read carefully again what you have to provide, what you need, how you have to be eligible for it. Once you have confirmed and provided all of the information, you can simply apply for it as long as you do it from georgia.gov over here. So this is the way for you to do so. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.